Hi traders. Today I'm going to talk about my trade on Macy's, ticker symbol M, and it's actually a swing trade that yielded over 300%. Let me see. Actually, no, it's not 300. It's 218% on the swing trade on Macy's. Now Macy's made this huge move up on Wednesday, and it's off of the stimulus news. So they're able to get together and have a stimulus package for us for about $600 per person. And right now they're waiting for Donald Trump to sign off on the bill. He's not signing off yet. But but during the day, Macy's, some of the retailers, JWN, Nordstrom. See, Nordstrom had this giant move, and GPS, Gap, had this nice move up, and also, well, Nike didn't make that move, but a lot of the retailers did, and Macy's was one of them, and made all of this move up. And actually, I did take a day trade on it right up here, but I got stopped out when it came back down. But today we're going to talk about the trade on the swing trade. So at the end of the day, I bought contracts, one contract on Macy's put for the $11 strike. So it was it's a swing trade, and it's actually a weekly option. So I bought it right. Let's get this right. So I bought it out here for this put for the move downwards, because I didn't think that since Trump didn't sign off on it yet, it might pull back. So then now the next day it did have this big giant dump, and it came through here. So when it came through here, I was debating if I should sell it out or wait for more move. And my original thought that it would make the move downwards, and there's the support resistance up here, which became support. So we have this line right here, right about 10.7, and I was wanting this move to go all the way down to here, and possibly retrace all the way down to here. So now the problem is that you want to sell at some point, because this is like on Thursday and was end of the week options. So now, yeah, it can go all the way down here, it could go all the way down here, but since it came down here, and right here is another support area right here too. See this right here? Let's change this arrow. Hold on a second. Let me see this right here, and here. Oops. Properties. Right here. So okay, so we have this here and this here, and then we have this here. So I held on to it thinking that if it doesn't break off above this line, we should be okay. And it had like lower highs up here on these green candles, so it made this huge dump right into here in the support. Now when it went down in here, I was thinking, okay, now it was stalling out a little bit, and it wasn't really moving much, and the options were staying pretty much stable out here. I didn't move down. So with all of this move, I had to take profit. So I took profit at $35 or 35 cents per contract. So when I bought the 11 strike up here, it was 11 cents. which is $11. So I sold it at 35 cents, which is $35. So that whole move yielded 218% move on this options. So I mean, that's pretty good return since it came back down, ran a little bit, sideways up here. It came back down here, and it closed pretty much close to around 30 cents per contract, because between $11 and 10.7, yes, that's around 30 cents. So I didn't really lose that much if I had waited and I just kept it for the rest of the day. But it could possibly bounce all the way up here, going straight this way, like dump here, go here, come here, and go up here. But I didn't want to risk it. And you have to, if you have end of day, same day options that are expiring the same day, you have to take profit. So I ended up just taking right here for 218% win. Alright, that's my trade on Macy's. Thanks. See ya.